Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we are going to explore the logon from the picoCTF. And in this video you can see the description in this room. You can see it's basically the web exploitation, and the description here says that this is a factory and it is hiding things from all of its users, and additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. Let's launch our instance. So once you launch the instance, you will be able to see some more descriptions, like the factory is hiding things from all of its users. So can you log in as Joe and find what you have been looking for at? So here we have a URL. So this is the web, right? So yeah, let's visit this URL in a browser, and this is the username and password field. Let me enter some random usernames and passwords, and I'm able to log in. But as you can see, the login was success, but no flag for you. We have to get the flag, right? So here you can see, can you log in as Joe? So our aim here is to log in as Joe. So in the hints you can see him, it doesn't seem to check anyone's password except for Joe's. So it pretty much means that it is not checking if you enter some other random user numbers except Joe. So let's try with the username Joe. So when I type some passwords, so it's saying that still I was able to log in. I don't know why they're saying like that. So JOE and some AAA. I think I was able to simply log in. Maybe they means that we have to put JOE. The J should be capital, I think. So after that, random numbers. Yes, so the J should be capital letters in Joe. So I'm sorry, Joe's password is super secure. You are not getting in that way. So in this case, we have to log in to this factory as the user Joe. We were able to log in with any other usernames because there is no password for some other username. So our aim is to log in as the user Joe, and the J in the Joe should be capital letter. So these are some of the conditions that we were able to find in this part, right? So yeah, so let's do some of these things. We can just inspect this page and check the cookie values. As you don't have any cookies, let's try to log in some with some random users and click sign in. Now I think we have some cookie values. Now you can see it is in the cookie values. I was able to see the admin was false, so it pretty much means that this is not the admin, and the password is AAA. This is what I entered right now, and the username is AAA. This is also what I entered right now. So what about changing the username to Joe, right? So capital letter J and OE. After that, let me try to refresh, and nothing happened, and there is no flag for us. So yes. So what about changing the admin? Because its admin is now set as false. Let's try to set this as true, and let's try to refresh that. And now, guys, we were able to get the flag so easily. So our aim is to log in as Joe. It doesn't validating the password, but our aim is to log in as Joe. And once you log in as some other usernames, you will be able to see an option in the cookies saying admin, which is set by default as false. So you can just change that into true, and you will be able to log in as Joe, and you will be able to get the flag. So the trues, if you change the value from false to true, the T should be capital letter. So that is something that you should focus on these rooms, guys. Yes, I hope this video is informative for you. The J in the Joe and the T in the true should be capital letters, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe button and like this video, guys. Bye bye. I will see you in the next one.